Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to convert a DHA license to DOH or MOH. Is it possible? Can I work with the same license in Abu Dhabi or in Sharjah? So if you are asking about me about the license, then I will say no, you cannot work with the same license in Abu Dhabi or Sharjah. But what you can do is, you can convert your current license into DOH license or to MOH license based on your requirements. So you must be completed your DHA examination, you must have completed your data flow, then you must have got your eligibility letter, then only you will be getting your DHA license. But after getting DHA license, you must work in Dubai for a minimum of 6 months. After working for 6 months, then only you can convert your license to MOH license or to the DOH license. Now, next question will be coming into your mind is, should I write the exam again for DOH or MOH? No. You don't have to write exam once again. If you have already worked with the DHA license in Dubai for almost 6 months or more than 6 months, then you can directly convert your license to DOH license or to the MOH license. Suppose if you have completed DHA examination, you have got your DHA eligibility letter, but you didn't get a job. And now you are getting an offer from Abu Dhabi. What can you do? Can you convert now the license to DOH, or if you have got an opportunity from Sharjah one hospital and you want to work over there? So can you convert your eligibility letter which is given from the DHA and you can convert to MOH? No. Without working in that particular emirate for a minimum of 6 months, then you cannot convert your license. Then the next step is, you must write the exam, DOH examination or the MOH examination. Then only you can get the eligibility letter from that particular emirate and then you can get a license. But if you have already worked in the Dubai for 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, then directly you can convert your license. So there are two things. First thing is, if you have worked for more than 6 months with the license, then you can directly convert. If you didn't work in the Dubai for minimum of 6 months or you didn't work at all, then you cannot convert your license. You have to start the processing once again with the data flow and you have to write the exam once again.